Number in Spanish. Let's take a look here. Let's switch this over. That's better, I think. That is correct. Same slide. Alright, so if a noun or adjective ends with a vowel, to make it plural, okay, we're going from singular to plural. Alright, plural. If a noun ends in a vowel, all you have to do is add one letter. That's all she got to do. Add the letter S. Okay, so ejemplo. Chico goes to. Alright, Chicos. More examples. Libro goes to libros. Simple. Okay. How about an adjective? Inteligente. What does inteligente change to? Alright, let's go with one more. Cómico goes to cómicos. Okay, now wait a second. These are adjectives, by the way, people. These are adjectives. So what does that mean? Wait. Okay, so this makes sense if it's a noun. Okay, Chico, boy, goes to chicos, boys. Okay, libro, that's a book, goes to libros. But wait a second, I have adjectives right here. Inteligente goes to inteligentes. Cómico goes to cómicos. Okay, so now, here's where it gets a little complicated in Spanish. Okay, now, easy to make things plural. O, if it ends in a vowel, add S. Okay, but here as English speakers, when we talk about adjectives, we want to say like the intelligent boys, which is what we're going to do. That is that possible? Is that a thing? How do you say the in Spanish? Or how do you say the boy? El chico, right? And then inteligente. Is that a true statement? The intelligent boy, yeah. Now that's another thing about Spanish is that we always have the noun before the description. Okay, that's how most languages do it. Okay, so like the intelligent boy, inteligente. Okay, now here's where it gets a little complicated. L goes to what, by the way? What does L go to? L. What's the plural of L? And we took the notes the other day about that. What? Huh? Yeah, L goes to. Go down. L goes to los. Okay, just I forgot about that. Here we go. Okay. All right, and then the biggest thing is los. Okay, and then what do we say about chico? Chico goes to os. Okay, chicos, and then inteligente. That's another thing as English speakers struggle with, is that not just your everything else has to go plural, but also your adjective as well. So how do I make inteligente plural? Add the letter S, especially since it ends with a vowel. Okay, now, which means what is the los chicos inteligentes? The boy's smart. Okay, yeah, exactly. Literally, the boy's smart, the boy's intelligent, the boy's what's another word for intelligent, smart? Is there any other words? Intellectual. All right, but now here's the thing. That's the biggest thing in Spanish is that when we make one thing plural, we got to make everything plural. Okay. We gotta make everything plural. So, like that one, inteligentes. How do you translate intelligentes into English? It's just smart, okay? But in Spanish it'd be like smarts. Smarts, okay? That's one thing we gotta, like, it takes a little bit to, like, focus on is that when we do adjectives in Spanish, adjectives have to also be plural as well. That's where it gets a little complicated, okay? Let's go with another rule. If Actually, let me go ahead and work smarter, not harder. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. All right, that's rule number 1. Rule number 1. And then there's rule number 2. You ready for rule number 2? What's the opposite of a vowel? What's the opposite? The opposite of a vowel. I need to be better. Consonant. Consonant. Consonants. All right. So, if a noun in Spanish. If a noun or adjective ends in a consonant. Oh man, that was bad. Not and, add. Add. Okay. If a noun ends in if a noun or adjective ends in a consonant, add. You still have to add s. No matter what, you still have to add s. Got that? S makes it plural. All right, but if it's consonant, you have to add the letter es. No matter what. Okay. So, like for instance, lapis. No, wait, no, let's not do. Let's go with doctor. Wait. Let's go with what is one that? Oh, how about es? Wait, no, I'm trying to think of a one that. Anybody know a word that ends with a consonant in Spanish? Like mes, maybe. We got. Well, that's a number. That's a number. We won't do dos. It is a word that ends with good. At least you're thinking though. You're thinking. How about mess? Like for instance, el mes. Or be specific in Spanish. We like to be specific. How would I make mes plural? First of all, it'll be like los. So mes means month. And how do I do months? The months. Los meses. Okay, meses, the months. Let's see, let's take a look here. Another word that ends with in Spanish, like for instance, el reloj. Whatever reloj is. You better watch it. You better know what reloj means. How would I make el reloj? Well, first of all, does anybody know what a reloj is? You gonna, senor? It is a watch, yeah. Way to watch it. Okay. El reloj, how do I make watches? Watches. What do we say? Same word, L-O, or what is it? Same word. How do I make watch, two watches in Spanish? The letters E and S. Okay, now, let's look at, let's look at one more. La pared, which is the wall. And the wall. The wall. How do I make the walls? Pared. And then add the letters E and S, and we are good to go. So wall to walls, okay. And then now let's go with adjectives, okay. Let's take a look here. Trabajador. How do I make that plural? Trabajador. Okay, same word. All I gotta do is add the letters ES. Now what about trabajadora? How do I make trabajadora? You got that, okay? Why do I have two of these things, okay? Because this is one word, this is a totally different word, okay? So that's why I'm putting it up here, because trabajador and trabajadora are two different words in Spanish, and they follow two different rules. I like that. How about the Spanish people? How about Espanol? Those are the Spaniards, or a Spaniard. How do I make a Spaniard to Spaniards? Alright, basically, remember, same word, boom. And add the letters E and S. Okay, good. Now, we all, like in everything, like in every language, we have one exception. What is our exception in Spanish? Is the letter Z. All right, so, like for instance, I'm gonna show you. Okay, luz. Let's go with la luz. All right. How do I make la luz plural? Okay, which luz means light. I want the lights. Lights, the lights. So la goes to las. La goes to las. And then luz is weird because of the fact that I'm gonna move it down here. Okay, so rule of thumb. If the word ends with Z, change the Z to a C. And what else do you have to add when it's a consonant? What else? What other two letters do you have to add? Letters E, S. So no matter what, as a consonant, you still have to add the letters E and S. But you have to change the spelling. Alright, pronunciation, same thing, okay? Luces is the same as the right appropriate one, luces, okay? So that's one little exception. La luz goes to luces. El lápiz goes to, the pencil goes to los lápices. Let's go with the fish. El pez. Los peces. Una vez goes to, can someone help me to, what, how, unas, what do we need to do here? Help me out, help me out. One time, una vez, goes to sometimes. How would I do sometimes? Unas veces. Alright, any questions right there? Any comments, concerns? Questions? So, review. Consonant S. No. Did I say that right? No? What is the right form of saying it? Consonant ES, vowel, add the letter S. Okay. Any questions on that? Does this make sense? Alright, so turn to somebody, explain how to make things plural in Spanish. Go. Real quick, real quick. Talk to them. That's it.